Toy Hunt Dudes here. So in this video I got two boosters I'm going to open. Pokemon Base Set XY and Breakpoint. So let's just get right on to it. Start off with the base set. Oh, just butchering this pack. Just had these boosters sitting around, so I was like, you know what? Let's open them up. Let me know what you did in the comment section below. Starting off with the Sableye, Dodrio, Honage, Faroki, Bunnelby, Sedile, Voltorb, Reverse Dugtrio, which is an uncommon, and a Rhyperior Hollow. And while I fight the bag for a penny sleeve, oh, here we go. Sorry I'm taking so long here. So it's gonna go right into the next pack. Look at that flippin' Greninja break. It's over 9,000. Looks like it's a Shirokin disc. Some sort of Shirokin-like disc. Let me know what you get in the comment section below. 3 from the back. I go 3 from back to the front. I don't like slicing the card there. Bursting Balloon. I don't really got the technique. Luxio, Arcanine, Spritzy, Skrelp, a Honage, Ducklet, Shinx, Reverse Semitoad, and a Meowstick. Gonna collect all the Meowsticks. We gotta collect them all. So I guess that's a rare. Didn't get too much here, just the Rhyperior Hollow. Guess you can't really do much with 2 packs, unless you get 2 stellar packs. Thanks for watching. Toy Hunt Dudes here. Please drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And have a good day, good night, wherever you are. Peace!